So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mcbaj, reporter and fashion photographer based in London, UK. And so today I'm just gonna be taking you through the behind the scene of a photo shoot I did recently of this amazing dark skin melanin model. Yeah, I think I'm a sucker for like dark skin models. Yeah, I absolutely love shooting dark skin models. So yeah, as you guys can see, I decided to do the shoot in my small space at my apartment, and you can see right there I just have a backdrop mounted to the wall. And for this first look which I did, I decided to use just a softbox and a reflector down below, as you guys can see right there. And this was how I mounted it, and that's how we got this particular shot you can see on the screen right now. Yeah, I did the shoots at my f8, and yeah, you can see the settings on those images. So then we decided to move down to like the second look. So here I decided to like overexpose the background with about 2.5 stop overexposed on my subject, and I also decided to use a beauty dish as my fill/main light just to expose the subject face. I don't want her whole body fully exposed, I just want her face to be a little bit brighter than the background, because since the background is like overexposed. And how I did that was I placed the light behind the model to actually expose the white background, and I basically just use a white and not even actually a background for this. And yeah, I just placed the beauty dish with a grid so the light doesn't spill everywhere, just for the model's face. And you guys can see the images we got from these. Like literally we shot this in a very small space, and I am actually amazed and actually excited about the shot because I really love every single bit of the shoot. And yes guys, so if you think you want to like you want to see me do the edit of these images, like how I edit for dark skin models, how I color grade my dark skin models, kindly comment down below and I will definitely make a video of how I do my edits. So if you guys have actually learned something from this video, kindly like, comment, share, and don't forget to like hit the notification bell icon and subscribe guys. Subscribe. Yeah, let's get this channel to about 2,000 subscribers in no time, because yeah, I can see you lot subscribing. Thank you very much, it's very much appreciated. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.